In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept and join a Google Meet invite. Whether you're participating in a work meeting, an online class, or just catching up with family or friends, knowing how to seamlessly join a Google Meet call will ensure you don't miss out on any of those important moments. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to Google Calendar. This will be your main hub for all upcoming events and meetings that you're scheduled to attend. Accessing Google Calendar is as simple as opening a web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. Once you're in, take a moment to scan through your list of events to locate the meeting. Invite you're planning to join. If you're on a mobile device, you can also access Google Calendar through its dedicated app, which offers similar functionalities with added convenience for on-the-go access. Once you've identified the meeting you wish to join, click on the event in your Google Calendar. You'll see the meeting details displayed, including the option to join using Google Meet. Look for the Join with Google Meet button and click it. This will redirect you to the Google Meet platform, where you'll prepare to enter the meeting. At this point, it's a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth, uninterrupted experience during the call. Before officially joining the meeting, you'll have the option to configure some settings for your video and audio. If you prefer to keep your video off for privacy or bandwidth reasons, go ahead and turn your camera off. You can do this by clicking the camera icon, usually found on the meeting page. Likewise, if you want to mute your audio to avoid any background noise disruptions upon entrance, simply click the microphone icon to toggle the sound off. After setting up your preferred video and audio configurations, you're now ready to join the meeting. Look for the Join Now button and click it to enter the Google Meet session. It's recommended to join a few minutes early, especially if it's your first time, to avoid any potential last-minute technical issues. And there you have it. You've successfully accepted and joined a Google Meet invite. With these simple steps, you can easily participate in any virtual meeting. Remember, if you ever run into any difficulties, Google's Support and Help Center offer a variety of resources and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful, and don't hesitate to explore more on our channel for additional tips and tutorials on various digital tools and platforms. Until next time, take care and happy video conferencing.